We have a 2016 BMW 328i. Came through, got a classic Muffy D, a muffler delete. Pretty nice day over here in South Florida. Jay, show them the deal, yo. Show them how packed we are. No, turn it, go this way. Yeah. Pretty busy today. G Exhaust in Davie, Florida. 2 locations, Davie, Florida and Oakland Park. Let's go. I'm gonna block the camera from this fucking spray or else the whole camera's gonna get dark. All right, let's take a look underneath what we did. I guess we could do it right here. It's stock all the way. Here, let's get under here. Everything's stock all the way through. He left on this little mini resonator right here. You could always chop it off, maybe get like 5 to 10% more noise. And this is where we did all of the work. Chopped off the muffler right here. Again, like I say, you might want to take it with him. And we replaced it with some pipe. And he got some dual matte black tips. He did replace the tips. The old tips were matte black. Nah, they were shiny black. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We're gonna bring it down and see how she sounds. Get it.